Hello students, my name is Anup Kumar Dutta. Today in my YouTube tutorial video of the new series of educational videos on NCERT Mathematics, which is completely free to you, I have just taken the question number 9 from the exercise 10.2 of your book under the chapter Circles NCERT Mathematics. Now let us see what the question says. In the given diagram, this one, xy, this one, x dash, y dash, this one are two parallel tangents to a circle with center at O, this one, and another tangent AB, this one, with point of contact C, this one, intersecting xy, this one, at A, this one, and x dash, y dash, this one, at the point B. Prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. This angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So to do this sum, we must have these pre-knowledges first. Number one, the sum of the measures of all the three angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degrees. Number two, if two parallel lines have been cut by a transversal, then in that case the sum of the measures of the two interior angles which lies on the same side of the transversal are equal to 180 degrees. So to do this sum, let us join these 2 points O and C first. After this, proceed in this way, write in this way. In the given figure, points O and C, this one, have been joined. After this, write in this way. Now in triangle PAO and triangle CAO, measure of the angle OPA, this one, OPA is equal to measure of the angle OCA is equal to 90 degree, right? Within bracket, OP is perpendicular on the tangent xy at the point of contact P, OC, this one, is perpendicular on the tangent AB at the point of contact C. After this, proceed in this way. the hypotenuse OA. The hypotenuse OA is common to both of them. After this, write this angle is right angle, this angle is right angle. The hypotenuse OA, this one is common to both of them. Then write measure of OP. Measure of OP is equal to measure of OC. Measure of OC. This one, measure of OP, this one, measure of OC, this one is equal to measure of OP is equal to measure of OC. Write within bracket radii of the same circle. Radii of the same circle. So we have got a right angle here. The hypotenuse is common, and one side OP and OC is equal to each other, radii of the same circle. Therefore, triangle PAO is congruent to the triangle CAO. Write within bracket by RHS congruency. Therefore, after this, write these two triangle. These two triangles are equal to each other. These two triangles are equal to each other. After this, write measure of the angle PAO. PAO is equal to measure of the angle CAO. This one. This angle, measure of the angle PAO, and measure of the angle CAO, this one, are equal to each other. Write within bracket CP, CT, corresponding part of congruent triangles. So after this, write in this way. Therefore, in triangle AOB, measure of the angle OAB, measure of the angle OAB is equal to, in triangle, measure of the triangle OAB, since measure of the triangle PAO and CAO are equal to each other. Therefore, in triangle AOB, twice the measure of the angle OAB is equal to measure of the angle XAB. This big angle XAB, twice the measure of the angle OAB are equal to measure of the angle XAB. Since measure of the angle PAO is equal to measure of the angle OA or CAO. So after this, proceed in this way. Similarly, in triangle QBO, in triangle QBO and triangle CBO, measure of the angle BQO or OQB, measure of the angle OQB is equal to measure of the angle OCB is equal to 90 degree. This angle OQB and this angle OCB are equal to 90 degree. Write within bracket OQ is perpendicular to the tangent x dash y dash, this time x dash y dash at the point of contact, Q, this time Q, point of contact Q. Again OC is perpendicular on the tangent OQ. OC is perpendicular on the tangent, this one AB at the point of contact, C, this one. After this, write in this way: the hypotenuse OB, this one, the hypotenuse OB is common to both of them. Measure of the side OC or measure of the side OQ. Measure of the side OQ is equal to measure of the side OC. Measure of the side OQ is equal to measure of the side OC. Write within bracket radii of the same circle. So we have got a right angle here, common side OB as hypotenuse, and one side OQ and OC are equal to each other. So therefore triangle QBO, this one, triangle QBO is congruent to the triangle CBO. this one. CBO. So QBO is congruent to the triangle CBO. Write within bracket by RHS, right angle hypotenuse side congruency. After this, write in this way: therefore measure of the angle QBO. Therefore measure of the angle QBO, this one. Measure of the angle QBO, this one. Measure of the angle QBO is equal to measure of the angle CBO, this one. CBO, measure of the angle CBO. So right here CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. After this, write in this way: therefore in triangle AOB, the big triangle AOB, in triangle AOB, twice the measure of angle OBA, twice the measure of the angle OBA. OBA is equal to measure of the angle, twice the measure of the angle OBA is equal to this big angle XDA is equal to this big angle XDA. After this, proceed in this way. Now measure of the angle XAB. Measure of the angle XAB plus measure of the angle XDA equal to 180 degree. Write within bracket XY is parallel to X dash Y dash. AB is the transversal, as AB is the transversal. After this, write in this way. This again implies measure of XAB. This one. Measure of XAB is equal to twice the measure of the angle OAB. So we will now put twice the measure of the angle OAB in place of measure of the angle XAB plus measure of the angle XDA. This one XDA is equal to measure of the angle twice the measure of the angle OBA. B A. So we'll now put twice the measure of the angle OBA in place of measure of the angle XDA, which is again equal to 180 degree. Therefore, measure of the angle OAB plus measure of the angle OBA is equal to 90 degree, dividing both sides by 2. After this, write in this way. Therefore, in triangle AOB, therefore in triangle AOB, this big one, AOB, therefore in triangle AOB, measure of the angle AOB is equal to 180 degree minus measure of the angle OAB, angle OAB plus measure of the angle OBA, measure of the angle OBA. If we deduct this measure of these two angles from 180 degree, we will get 90 degrees, which is again equal to 180 degree minus measure of the angle OAB plus measure of the angle OBA is equal to 90 degree. So we will put in place of measure of the angle OAB and measure of the angle OBA 90 degrees. So if we deduct 90 degrees from 180 degrees, we will get again 90 degrees. So proved, right? In this way, proved. So this is all for today. Why not? Of course, I will expect your kind likes, dislikes, comments, subscriptions, and clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.